never-ending voyage of discovery. A voyage fueled by desire to know our true calling. Seeking for timeless wisdom beneath the ever-changing depths of heaven. Trapped in confusion. Armed with melodies to strike our emotion. Waging the war within until one day, sooner or later, we see this music is our destiny.
Countdown has begun. There's only gravity to overcome. It ain't over till it's over and done. And everything becomes one. All the places in the universe, there is nowhere we'd rather be. This is the one. Of all the moments in time, from the glory of the past to the mystery of the future, this